Hey everyone, thanks for tuning in to another tips and tricks tutorial video brought to you by Freelancer School. My name's Taylor Keene. Today we're going over something very simple. We are going to just show you how to connect your personal email to your HubSpot. That's not through inboxes in HubSpot. So that's not going to be through here when you go to CRM and then inbox, because that would be connecting a team email that you could all access. So this would be like, oh yeah, I just want to respond to people in a contact and send an email from HubSpot right there, like a one-to-one email. So all you have to do is just go to settings in the top right corner up here. Then you're going to click on email. It should go straight to general, but if not, click general and then click email. And then what you can do is connect your personal email here, but that doesn't like connect your domain or anything like that. You can also edit your email signature as well. And just follow the instructions for whichever email inbox you have. But yeah, it's very, 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 very easy. So yeah, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. And I'm exhausted, so my brain is just not working right now. Have a great day.